So my project proposal for how to promote Taiwan as part of the International Youth Goodwill Ambassador for Taiwan as a candidate was to create a community banquet very much like this one, to share and celebrate the very vibrant culture of Taiwan and also the rich culinary heritage with our local community here in the US. I was kind of inspired when I was younger, going to my cousin's wedding, and where I got to experience a very warm and lively atmosphere at traditional Taiwanese gatherings, also known as banquet. A long time ago, when individual families would gather, they didn't have as many resources, and so in order to celebrate very big events, the community, the village would come together and help out and make it happen. So for example, people used to bring out their own dining tables, their own chairs, and even help with the cooking preparation. And I was really appreciative of this kind of culture where people could come together to make something, achieve something greater, and kind of showing a great sense of community. And so I wanted to bring those values and ideals to our modern day gatherings. So for this project, we hope to, one, promote Taiwan by introducing the lively culture, the hospitality that we're so known for, and of course the delicious food to the local community, and also partner with community organizations in order to raise awareness and increase participation. And also this demonstrates Taiwan's commitment to global health and community support. So hopefully these kinds of banquets can help become a bridge to foster cultural exchange and create amazing and meaningful collaborations between various organizations. And by bringing everyone of different cultures together and sharing Taiwan's hospitality, warmth, and flavors, we hope to create a sense of unity and make a positive impact on the community. So showing that Taiwan can help, and Taiwan is also an important part of this world. Thank you. Thank you very much.